Good morning students. Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School and I am Vallavi Gaikwad. Today I am going to take maths subject. So students, as you know, we have started in previous lesson the 2-digit numbers. Okay, in previous lesson period we have studied that what are tens and ones. Okay, just a part of that I will just revise once again. So what is tens and what is ones? For example, 35. How to do that 35? 3 tens, 3 10 times it becomes 3 tens and 5 is ones. So in this way we have studied tens and ones. Then in next we have studied, I had given the exercise. Yes, have you solved the exercise, children? Yes, okay, good. You have solved. Then next we have seen on abacus, how to do on abacus this tens and ones. Okay, and after that also I had given you some sums to solve. Even that, have you solved? Yes. Then next part we have studied place value. Then in this place value what we have done, that the 35, the 3 in 35 means 3 tens, the 5 in 35 means 5 ones. The place value of 3 in 35 is 3 tens or 30. The place value of 5 in 35 is 5 ones or 5. In this way we have studied the place value. I hope that everyone has understood. Yes, okay, good. You should daily you have to do practice. More and more practice is needed for this maths. It is not like that you are doing, teacher has taught, you have done that time and okay, you will keep it out. It is not like that. Every day, daily means daily, at least 5 times you should solve the sums. Whether teacher has given homework or no, then too you have to solve in extra, another book, extra sums, so that it will be perfect in your mind. Okay. Now till now everyone has done good. Very nice homework. Now today we shall start next lesson, that is odd and even numbers. Lesson number 2 only. Lesson number 1, 2-digit number. Okay, now we shall start even and odd numbers. Now tell me, what is this even and odd numbers? Yes, can anybody? Yes, which are those numbers? Now we shall see even numbers. Even number means what? Those numbers, okay, those numbers that can be put into pairs. The numbers that can put into pairs. Okay, the numbers that can put into pairs. Now see here, the numbers means which numbers? For example, 2, 4, 6, 8. In these numbers are even numbers. Okay. Now odd numbers. Numbers that cannot put into pairs. Okay, the numbers which cannot put into pairs, it is called odd numbers. Now for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these all are called as odd numbers. Okay, even numbers and odd numbers. For again to see this, I will show you a chart. See here, you can see here in this chart, this cannot be put into pairs. In first you can see here what it is, 1 it is, there is no any pair. In second you can see that there are 2, means in first it is 1 and second it is 2. So, by this you can see in first column there is no pair, in second it is there is pair. Okay. So, this is 2 is called even number. Now, in the next line you can see 2 girls and separate 1 girl. In this also you can see that there is no pair, but in fourth column you can see there is pair. Okay. In fifth also you can see there is no pair, in sixth you can see there is pair. Okay. In this way you can see that where we can create a pair. Okay. 2 pairs you can see that that is an even number, and if you are not getting any pair it is an odd number. Okay. Yes, can anybody tell me what is the even number, students? Yes. Yes, 12, 14, 16, yes, very good. Now, who will tell me odd numbers? Yes, 11, 13, yes, 15, these all are odd numbers. Okay, you have understood what is even and what is odd number. Now, after this we shall start an exercise. Okay, exercise number 5. Now, see here, ring the object in pairs. Write if the number of object is odd or even. Now, you want to, what you want to do? Pairs. Wherever the pairs are there, you have to ring the objects. Now, okay, first one is done for you. Then second, is it there pair? Yes. So, you will ring, you will do here a circle. Then third one, yes, there is pair, you will do a circle. Then what you will write here? Now, see here in detail I will show you. Now, see here, exercise first. Exercise 5. Example first I will tell. Here 2 circles are there, then again 2 circles and 2 circles. So, in this all pairs are there. Okay. So, ring this, do it circle for this pair, and this is what? It is even. Okay. This is even. Then second B1, see here. You can see how many there are circles? 1, 2, okay, 3. Now, you can see here how there is pair. Here you can see 1 pair, here second pair, and here is pair? No. So, this is odd. Okay. In this way you can solve the exercise. Then third one, what is there? 1, 2, how many are there? 1, 2, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. How many are there? Say 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here also can you tell me you can do this pair? Yes or no? Yes, you can do. So, this is 1 pair, this is second pair, this is third pair, this is fourth pair, this is fifth pair. So, this is called even. Understood? So, in this way you can solve the exercise that is odd or even. Now, see here, here are the some numbers from 1 to 30. Ring the odd numbers in blue, ring the even numbers in red. Now, see here, if you have understood, you have to solve this exercise at home. Which is odd number, you will ring it in green. Okay. Now, tell me 5 is odd or even? Yes, it is odd number. So, odd number you will circle in blue. Yes. Now, 6 is even. Yes, 6 you will circle in red. Okay. 7, yes, 7 it is odd number. So, you will circle it in blue. Okay, good. In this way you are going to solve all these exercise. Second, then third exercise. Fill in the missing even numbers in order. Now here are only even numbers. What are the missing numbers that you are going to write here? Okay. Now 6 is even number, 8 is even number. Then what will come here? Yes, children. Yes, 10. Yes, good. Then next 12. Yes. Yes. Then 14. Yes, 16 is given. Then 18. Good. 20 is given. In this way, these two numbers, exercise 5, you are going to solve this third and fourth. It is very easy how to do even and after. Okay. Now we shall see the next part, that is before, after and between. Now see here, look at the number stick, how it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. In this you can see 3 comes after 2. Okay. 3 comes after 2, then 2 comes before 3. So 16 comes after 15, 16 comes before 17. 16 is between 15 and 17. Now everyone you know the numbers, okay, which is before, after. You can say 1 to 10, 1 to 20, and while doing this you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you will say like this. After this you know what is before, what is after. Now what in detail how you will see this, I will show you. Now see here, before, after, and between. This is called ascending, and descending means that is big to small. Okay. In this way you see ascending means small to big and descending means big to small. Now see here, numbers. What are the numbers that we should come from small to up? Now see here, in example, here it is shown 13, 17, 51, 86, okay, 9, 23, 35, 44. Now ring the biggest number in blue and the smallest number in red. Now from this you can see, is 13 bigger than 17? Yes, children, 13 is no. Then 51, yes, bigger than 13, yes. Then 86, yes. Then from this all, which is the biggest number? Yes, yes, this 86 is the biggest number. So you are going to circle in the blue blue color. Then 9, 23, 35, 44. In this you can see 44. You can circle here for 44, which is the biggest, and the smallest, biggest is 86 and smallest is 9. Okay. In this column you are going to circle only biggest in blue color and smallest in red color. Now see here, second one, 93. 93 is the biggest and 17 is the smallest. So biggest you will circle in blue and 17 you will circle in red because it is small. Now see here, next exercise, rewrite the numbers, start from the smallest and finish the biggest. Now see here, you want to rewrite the numbers. Now numbers are given 35, 43, 22. Okay. Now these numbers you want to start from small and finish with the big. Now is 35 is small or big than 43? Yes, it is small than 43. Then 35 is smaller than 22. Yes, children. Yes, so 22 is smaller, and after 22, 35 is smaller. Yes, then 47 is smaller. Okay, now see here, just I will show you one, and you are going to solve this exercise as a homework. Okay, now this first one I will show. 35, okay, then 43, and then 22. Now see this, in this you want to show which is the smallest number. You are going to write from small to big. Now 35 is small, then 22, no. 43 is small than 22, no. Which is the smallest? 22, yes. Now after 22, 35 is small or 43? Yes, 35 is small. Then 35 and last is 43, okay. In this way, small is 22, 35, then 43. In this way, you are going from small to big. So, in this way, you will solve the exercise, okay. So, children, take care, stay safe, don't worry, and wash your hands every time. Take your parents also care, and do the studies and do the homework. Okay, thank you.